Welcome to Tekno Bilim Adamı. Today, we're diving into the new iOS screen sizes and whether bigger is actually better. Apple has been pushing larger screen sizes in recent years, and the latest iPhone models are no exception. But with bigger screens, are we really getting a better experience? On the plus side, a larger display means more screen real estate for gaming, media, and multitasking. It's great for watching movies or editing photos with more space and detail. Plus, larger screens often come with improved battery life, thanks to more room for bigger batteries. However, there are some downsides. Bigger phones can be harder to use one-handed, and they're often bulkier, which can be uncomfortable for some users. Also, not every app is optimized for larger displays, so you might not always get the full benefit. So, are bigger screens worth it? It all comes down to personal preference. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments.